If you're looking for a no-frills layback style taillight, our 8900 TL4TS is the way to go. It's got a running light, brake light, and built-in turn signal. Today, we're going to be installing it with our plug-and-play turn signal harnesses. You order the taillight and the harness together. The harness is pre-installed on the taillight right out of the box. So before you install it, you got to take off your current taillight. To do so, you got two screws. There's one on the right side, one on the left. Remove the taillight, and you're going to unplug the pigtail. So we're going to be installing this taillight. The first step you're going to want to do is unplug the stock turn signals. To do that, you just remove these two pigtails here from the faceplate. Grab the taillight's pigtail, plug it into the same spot where your stock taillight was plugged into. Now we're going to connect the turn signals. If you're looking to just use the turn signals in the taillight and delete your rear turn signals, you're just going to take these two pigtails here and plug them directly into the Harley base plate. If you're planning on using the turn signals in the integrated taillight along with the stock turn signals that are on the bike, you're then going to take these two and plug them into the corresponding pigtail on the harness. Alright, you just take the taillight, line it up, grab your screws, I find it's a little easier to mount these lining the screws up beforehand on both sides. Now that we have it all mounted up, we just got to test it and make sure everything's working correctly. Turn the bike on, brake, and our turn signal.